Yeah, that's me. That's me trying to make a promise to myself that I would make a change. I got tired of making excuses and watching my life stay in the same place. I lost people I love because of choices that I made and a lifestyle that was tearing me down. I can't change the past, but I can change who I become from this day forward. I know it won't be easy, but I'm choosing discipline over excuses. It's about proving to myself that I can keep showing up even when life hurts. Damn, that sun is bright as hell. I don't even want to be up. So instead of just sitting around and feeling sorry for myself, I'm choosing to get up and do something about it. Because I realize something. Nobody's coming to save me. If I want a better life, I've got to build it, one day at a time. Growth isn't always exciting. Sometimes it looks like showing up, even when you don't feel like it. This is really about proving something to myself, that I don't quit anymore, that I can stay consistent, that I can keep moving forward, even if it's only one step at a time. Because being comfortable kept me stuck, and I'm done living like that. I'm letting go of the excuses. I'm letting go of the fear. I'm letting go of worrying about what everybody thinks. I'm letting go of anything that's been holding me back from becoming the person I know I can be. And here's the cool part. You don't have to have your whole life figured out just to start. You just have to start. So if you've been waiting for a sign to work on yourself, maybe this is it. Join me. Hold me accountable. Let's see what happens when we stop making excuses and start making progress. One decision at a time. One workout at a time. One step closer to becoming the best version of ourselves. This isn't about proving people wrong. It's about proving to ourselves what's possible.